what I'd say there is that I look forward to working cooperatively with the federal government. We've got a national cabinet meeting coming up soon, and I think everyone needs to work together.
How does that comment sit with your call to stop playing politics around the virus?
Yeah, I addressed all that yesterday.
Why should we reopen the borders before the business vaccine mandate takes effect? Wasn't a mandate about making families feel safe?
So business wanted certainty, and they wanted a date they could work towards, and we have given them that date of the 17th of December. Also too, it gives people that opportunity to get vaccinated now and to have that immunity of their second vaccine before the 17th of December.
Was the PCR debate a communication breakdown with the federal government or a failure from your government?
We addressed that yesterday at length.
Paramedics say they're being burned out due to ambulance ramping. What's the government doing right now to address it?
Look, that's a really good question, and I understand that there are concerns and pressures that are being put on our hospitals, especially with issues such as ramping. But what we have seen, I'm advised, since May, a 30% reduction in ambulance wait times of more than 2 hours. Of course, we can do more, but can I just say, we will see a lot more pressure on our hospitals unless the community gets vaccinated. We're all in this together. We are all part of Queensland. We're all in this together. And the best way that we can protect each other is to get vaccinated, and we can all enjoy our lives like we used to.
Why did the Health Minister refuse an interview with Channel 7 about ambulance ramping?
Look, you'll have to talk to her. I understand she's been sick this week. She's had a COVID test, and I think she's back at work today or tomorrow.
On the Shandy Blackburn murder investigation, what do you say to the family of this murdered woman who wants an inquiry?
Look, I will get a briefing from police before I make further comment on that.
George Christensen's likened the state government's COVID restrictions to the regimes of Nazi Germany and Cambodia. How would you respond to that?
Look, can I just say, look, those comments are definitely out of order, but can I say, if anyone has any concerns or issues, please, there's a lot of misinformation on Facebook and social media. Please go and sit down with your trusted GP. People have had vaccines in their childhood. They have vaccines to go overseas, and now this vaccine is very effective of preventing death from COVID. I don't want to see Queensland end up like what's happened around the world. You're seeing Europe going through another big phase at the moment. There is issues, of course, once again in the US. I don't want to see that here for Queensland, and the best way that we can protect ourselves and all of us and your families is to get vaccinated.
I know you've said the Health Minister has been sick this week, but has she picked up the phone to speak to the Federal Health Minister about this PCR testing?
Look, we've addressed all of that yesterday.